To load label and ribbon materials into your i4311 printer, pull the yellow release button and open both covers fully. Orient your ribbon cartridge with the Brady logo facing up and the product labels toward the printer body. Lower the cartridge over the print head and press gently to click into place. To load label materials, first slide the yellow label guides fully open. Align the Label Sense chip on your roll with the sensor on the printer and lower in the roll. Feed the labels until the leading edge is in the middle of the black rubber roller. Holding the labels in place, close the yellow guides over the label material until they're lightly touching each other. If you're loading continuous material, flip the wiper arm down onto the material. For pre-sized labels, leave the wiper arm up. When you're ready, close the rear cover, then close the front cover, pressing firmly until it clicks into place. The printer's Label Sense technology will now recognize the materials and calibrate automatically. To remove your materials, open the printer covers. Flip back the wiper arm if needed. Spin the material roll back until the labels are free from the print path and lift the roll out of the printer. To remove the ribbon, simply pull the tab on the cartridge and lift it off. For more support, visit our website.